Everybody, how y'all doing today? I'm going to be doing another food review for you, another snack review. Cheetos popcorn, cheddar flavored. There's also white cheddar, I think. I like the regular. 160 calories. Mm. It's a Cheetos thing, and popcorn meets Cheetos. I like Cheetos. Mm. It's really, really good. Crunchy. It's cheesy. It's chewy. And it's really, really good. You can find this in the chips aisle in your local grocery store, or in your popcorn area, or anywhere. Mhm. You can have this for a snack. You can have it watching your favorite TV show, your favorite movie. You can have it as an after school snack if you're allowed to, or you can have it at your work. Hmm. Or Flaming Hot Cheetos, but I can't handle Flaming Hot. Hmm. Mr. Cheetah. He's pretty cool. Made by the Fritos company. Well, Fritos is Cheetos. Oh, Mountain Dew. But you can drink whatever you want with it. Oh, mm. But I like to have it with Mountain Dew, unless I have butter snacks and I have milk. You know that. What is that? Desserts and I have milk. Mm. It's like Cheetos and but in popcorn form. You can comment down below what other snacks you want me to review. Remember, nothing spicy, no Chinese or Mexican, because I have food allergies and I have a very sensitive stomach too. So comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe. And see you later. Bye, everybody.